Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a great seafood bread using imitation crab. This seafood bread pairs so great with lobster bisque, which I have already posted on my channel. If you're interested and want to see that recipe as well, I'm going to post it right here. Alright, I don't want to keep you guys long. Let's jump right to the recipe.
Cooking made easy.
For our seafood bread, we have some imitation crab, and I am using Italian bread loaf for this recipe. This recipe is very easy to follow, and also a quick disclaimer, this recipe also calls for a lot of mayonnaise. And this is our Italian bread. I have some seasoning salt, fresh chopped parsley, shredded cheese, imitation crab that I already chopped to small pieces, and this is the brand that I am using for this recipe. And we also have onions and bell peppers. Onion and bell peppers are optional. If you don't want to add that, you can take them out of the recipe. And we also have some heavy whipping cream. Now we are going to set everything aside and mix everything together, and then add our mixture on top of the bread. This seafood bread is a very quick and easy recipe. We're simply going to combine everything into a bowl and then spread it on top of the bread and bake it under the oven at 425 degrees for 10 minutes. While we are combining all of our ingredients, if you are new here, my name is Claude Maud, owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I created when I was in grad school, where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, and so much more. If you're interested in trying one of our products, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Now that we have added our mayo and also add some heavy whipping cream, we are going to mix it well. Now that we have mixed our crab mixture, and this is what it is looking like, and I already give it a taste and it tastes super good. So now we are going to spread it on top of the bread, and it is up to you how much you want to put on top, but I like to have mine full, so we are going to pour a generous amount on top of the bread. Make sure you open it well so that it can bake evenly. Now we are going to spread it well on top of the bread, and after that we are going to sprinkle some cheese on top. Then we are going to bake it under the oven. This is what it is looking like so far. Now we are going to sprinkle some cheese on top, and I have some pepper jack cheese mixed with some mozzarella, but feel free to use whatever cheese you prefer. And here is a closer look. Now we are going to place it under the oven. And our seafood bread is done. This is a closer look of our seafood bread. If you ever gone to Stormy Crab, which is a seafood restaurant, this is the seafood bread that they usually serve. This is really a good appetizer if you want to serve as an appetizer, or if you want to serve it as a side for your soup or a simple pasta dish. I really hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, comment below, let me know what you add, let me know what you'll do differently. And if you are new here, you have not subscribed to my channel, please remember to subscribe to help support my channel and help me grow. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end, and as always, I'll see you in the next recipe.
Cooking made easy.